We have struck Zambo Gold today. That's an aeroplane engine from 1909, and it is a thing of absolute beauty. Look at that. Big air cooled. I think they still use these. Been about for years. It looks like a Porsche or a Volkswagen, horizontally opposed air-cooled engine. Fantastic bananas. This was fitted with a Volkswagen Beetle engine. That's a thing of loveliness, isn't it? Couple of auto gyros. There's no mechanical control to that big blade. If you can remember from the James Bond movie, as it pushed along, the blade started spinning. Maybe a trainer aeroplane in the Second World War. This thing was designed for hobbyists. This is just marvellous, isn't it? How happy am I? How happy am I? That's a glider for training pilots in. I don't think I'd want to sit in that thing. An original Jetstream. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. And what have we got here? So pretty. Takes us back to a different time, doesn't it? An inverted, it's a 4-cylinder air-cooled engine. That's how the things are put together. Aluminium sheets gets riveted onto them. Oh, right, we'll zoom out. Isn't that just a beautiful bottom? I don't know if this is everybody's cup of tea, but I'm in engineering heaven in here. And look at that thing as well. That's got to be post-World War II, hasn't it? Is it just me that finds aeroplanes uplifting? Oh man. I don't know what's powered, maybe a jet, I'm not sure. See now if it's just post-World War II, it's probably still a piston engine, eh? Lovely big radio. And look at that thing. This was actually built in Scotland. Beautiful, isn't it? Would you feel safe flying in something like that today? Who knows? So pretty, so pretty. Designed for short takeoff and landing. Got your ambulance service. So I'm a loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm a loving it like that. Zambo refused his fortune Airfield, and I'll hang up before any music starts in the back. Be here or be square. If I've been round about vintage aeroplanes is your thing. It's not RAF Duxford, but it is a remarkable place. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.